Hi guys and gals, I'm Clint. Right from the beginning, I'm not associated with these people. I'm not trying to drum up business for them. I'm just trying to pass along a good deal to people that need knife scale materials or whatever, small projects. I found out about this on Skyler's page, Sawdust and Splinters. She's a good woodworker, and she did the same thing, passing on a good deal. And you need to check her page out. She's a little bit prettier than me. All right. I got, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different kinds of wood. So it's nearly 6 board feet. All of these are a full inch. They are sealed on the ends. I haven't got but one crack. And that's in a piece of Purple Heart. I'll show you that in a minute. I'm gonna lay it over here. But I'm gonna come over there where you at. I'm gonna show you what I got in one box for $42.99 from Amazon. All right, I got 3 of these. This is the one with the crack in it, running right up through here. That's the only one with the crack. I got 1 of these. I got 2 of these with no name. I don't know what they are. All this wood is very dense and very heavy. I'll show you the moisture in just a second. And I got 4 of these. No name. It doesn't look like anything else in the pile. And I got 3 of these. They 1 inch by 6 inches by 12 inches long. So let's check some of the moisture. Okay, that's Purple Heart. Massa Randuba. I've never heard of that. It's a nice looking wood. Got a wormhole. These 2 right here, unnamed. These over here, unnamed. And this Angelique, I think it's pronounced. So these are kind of mid-range on the moisture content. So they're ready for stabilizing and using. So, but after I ordered these, I ordered another box. 3 of the corners are busted. So let's see what I got. These people are, if I hadn't said it already, Evergreen Forest Products Incorporated. of New York State. I'll put a link in the description and the first comment for the Amazon link. They also sell under the name EFP Artisan Wood, I think it says, on eBay. I'll put a link to that in the description also, and the first comment. I'll do both. So this looks like more of the same. No name. There we go. That's the same. I think that's the same. More Purple Heart. Another Masaranduba. I think that might be two Masarandubas. Kind of looks like. And this I don't know. But if you guys that do knives and any other kind of handles or small projects, you know how high priced tropical hardwood is. Now, I see this as a great deal. So I hope I help somebody out there. And again, I'm not associated with these people. So I'm just trying to pass along a good deal to my viewers. So anyhow, everybody have a great day. Thanks for watching.